Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to track your wallet's carbon footprint using Web3 tools. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Yes, crypto uses energy, but now you can actually see how much your wallet impacts the environment and even offset it right from your browser. The easiest tool to start with is carbon.fyi. Just go to the site, paste in your Ethereum wallet address, and it will instantly show your estimated carbon emissions based on your transaction history. No login needed. Next up is KillMaDAO, a Web3 project built to fight carbon pollution. KillMaDAO lets you buy verified carbon offset on-chain, so you can balance out your emission with real impact. If you are active on-chain, swapping, minting, or bridging, these tools help you stay aware and responsible. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.